of all, to fill the form, go to the link in the comment section. After you visit the link, this type of page will open, okay, where they will ask you for new registration. Just click on this option of new registration. Then this page will open where the detailed advertisement will be shown to you. And be ready with these things with your photograph from 10 KB to 200 KB size, clearly visible, recent photograph in color or black and white, but I will suggest you to give color photograph. And next is your signature, which is 10 KB to 50 KB. So make sure that these things are with you before you start to fill the form. And the password that you have to put in is 8 to 13 characters long, one uppercase, one lowercase, and one numeric value, and one special character. So simply you can just, what I use, you can simply use that technique. Just write your name. Suppose your name is Ramesh, then use @ and just write the date of the examination. That's it. It just fulfills all the criteria, so you can easily do that. All right. Next, if you scroll down this page, then you will see this checkbox. Okay, just click on it, give a tick mark to it, then click here to proceed. After that, your personal details page will open to you, where you have to write your name, your father's name, mother's name, date of birth, gender. Make sure that when you give your date of birth, you give the right one, because it will be the password for your system when you give the examination, right? Next is you have to give your personal details. You have to confirm your personal details, writing your name again, your father's name, mother's name, date of birth, and gender. Next, we have contact details, which is your address. And next is electronic address. First of all, your address, the house you live in, the area you live in, your locality, your country, state, district, and the pin code. Next, we have the electronic communication address, your email address. You have to confirm your email address. This means that you have to write it 2 times. Mobile number, confirm it. That's it. After that, this option will open to you, where you have to choose same as present address. You have to just tick this option. You have to just tick this option, so it will be get auto selected. And at the end, just write this captcha in this box and press submit. That's it. Next, your application number will be given to you. An application number will be given to you, and this type of page will open, where email has been verified, phone number has been verified, and registration form is also completed, and fee payment and application form is pending. Next, the complete form will open to you, which you have already filled, the personal details and permanent address. After that, these answers you have to give. Are you a PWD? No. Disability? No, if you are not. And then, do you need scribe? If you need, yes. If you don't, then just choose no. Your percentage of disability, if you have. If you are not diabetic, then choose no. Again, annual income, choose your annual income of your parents or guardian. And if you belong to a minor community, do yes. Otherwise, select it as no. And subject name in the post graduation is very important. The subject name for your post graduation, if it is history, then choose history. If it is commerce, then commerce. English, whatever it is, sociology. And then give the captcha that is given in the box, and select save and next. Next, number 3 is after contact details and personal details, we have identity details. Now, in case of identity details, you have to choose your Aadhaar card. You have to give your Aadhaar number. See, your identity has been successfully verified with Aadhaar on 10/9/2025. When you give your Aadhaar ID card number, then this option will open, and then just select next. That's it. After that, number 4, we have exam center details, where you have to choose your center that you opt for. Suppose I am from West Bengal, so I will choose the first as Kolkata. Accordingly, according to your city, the nearest city and the nearest center that you have according to your address, just choose the 4th option as the farthest and the first as the nearest. So, and of course, the subject opted for net, and the medium, which is English. Then simply just rewrite the captcha and press 7 next. Next, we have number 5, your qualification details. Your past status, 4-year undergraduate program qualification details. If it's 4 year, or if it's not, then just choose no. Your past status, see we have any other 4 year undergraduate program. If it's other than the normal course like LLB and all, you can just choose. Then the year of passing or appearing, qualifying examination from your country, the board or university name which your college is under, the maximum grade point, and your CGPA obtained. Okay, and if you choose appearing, then this option will not show to you. Okay, then again simply just rewrite this captcha in this box and press save. Next we have number 6, additional details. Are you a twin? If no, then definitely just select no. Whether admitted in PhD? If no, no. Then research or ex-serviceman details, whether you possess research experience or not. If you don't have any research experience, then just select no. Whether you're an ex-serviceman? No. Then just copy this captcha that is shown and save and next. Next we have, this is the most important section. Apply for assistant professor, JRF or PhD only. See, just select on JRF. That's it. Whenever you see JRF, just tick on it. The other sections will automatically get ticked on. So just select JRF. This is option number B. That will be it. Again, just rewrite the captcha and save and next. Next, the document upload, where you have to upload your photo as shown earlier, where your image should be below 200 KB and above 10 KB, and your signature should be 10 to 50 KB, and if you have any disability, that disability certificate below 300 KB. Then just select save and next. Then this type of a review page will open where all your chosen options and answers will be shown to you. Then after that, just scroll down and you will see this checkboxes, multiple checkboxes. Just tick on every boxes that has been shown to you, and then on I agree, and then final submit of application. This link will open to you. Just click on it and your form will be submitted. And after that, the final step for submission is the payment, where you have to choose the select mode of payment, where you can choose your UPI ID. Just give your UPI ID, then just select verify. After that you will be transferred to your UPI account. Just then pay the amount and download the confirmation page and keep it to you. That's it. If you have any queries, just comment below. And we are going to launch a free crash course on UGC NET paper 1 and UGC NET paper 2 English. So it's completely free. So do subscribe and join our Telegram group.